With Acre, we're helping you unlock the true power of your Bitcoin. And in this tutorial, we will guide you through depositing Bitcoin into Acre using your Ledger device and the Xverse wallet. Before you begin, you will need a Ledger device with at least 0.015 Bitcoin and a computer with the Xverse wallet browser extension installed. To connect your Ledger to Xverse, open the Xverse wallet extension and, if you're new, create a new wallet. Select the option to connect hardware wallet, plug in your Ledger device, unlock it, and authorize your browser to connect with it. Once connected, confirm the ordinals and Bitcoin payment addresses generated by your Ledger. Give your Ledger a name, click confirm, and you're ready to proceed. To start depositing, visit the Acre app. In your browser, visit acre.fi and click Open App in the upper right corner. Again, in the upper right, click Connect Wallet and choose Xverse. Accept the connection request and sign the message to link your Ledger's Bitcoin wallet. Now that your wallet is connected, click Deposit in the app. In the pop-up window, enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to deposit. Remember, the minimum deposit is 0.015 Bitcoin, and click Deposit. Xverse will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm in the Xverse app, then follow the on-screen instructions on your Ledger device to complete the transaction. If successful, Xverse will display Transaction Broadcasted, and within a minute, the Acre app will show that your deposit has been received. Keep in mind that depending on Bitcoin network congestion, your deposit might take a few hours to appear as finalized in the Acre dashboard. There is no need to keep the app open. We will handle everything in the background. And that's it. You have successfully deposited Bitcoin into Acre and are now earning rewards. If you run into any issues, have questions, or simply want to learn more, our dedicated team of moderators are available 24/7 to assist you in the Acre Discord. Thanks for choosing Acre, where your Bitcoin works harder for you. Happy depositing.